Yeah, hello my group friend, Gladys here, and welcome to this other video where we are doing the sneak peeks into group funnels, showing you what you're going to get if you get your free version or you get your paid version, right? Yeah, so today we are going to sneak peek on the infographic. Infographic is what has been already been released. We are not going to focus on that because it's already there, but now we are going to see what's coming up, and great things are coming up. Oh my, great things are coming up, especially up to the 18th of October. They are going to launch these. We are going to launch these to the public because right now it's still on beta, and you want to be part of these before the 18th of October, right? So jump on it right now. Right now, take action. Create your free account. It's going to take you 15 minutes. Go to www.groovefriend.com right now. Even stop this video right now. Go create your free account. It's gonna take you 15 minutes. You will have launched your business and you will start your training earlier, right? So that by the 18th of October you would have even shared this great thing, this great deal with other people, and you will be a blessing to somebody else, right? So let me turn the screen and let's see the infographic. Yeah, so today I wanted to talk about GrooveCut, but since I've not yet started using it, we are not going to enter into that. But once I start making videos and start using GrooveCut, I'm going to talk more about it. So today it's just a sneak peek, right? Yeah, so I'm so excited about GrooveCut. For those who are already in the e-commerce, apparently this one is like Shopify, right? I've not been into it, so I don't have so many details, but I'm so excited about print on demand. So maybe I'm going to be ordering some t-shirts because I have GrooveCut since I have the lifetime membership, right? So, and you see they have it. GrooveCut includes high converting templates, timers, social proof, reviews, upsells, and more. Wow, 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 wow. So so you get GrooveCut if you have the lifetime, and also if you have the free account. If you take it now before the 18th of October, you're going to have GrooveCut. But it comes with some more information that you have to read through about it, right? It's not the same as the lifetime membership, right? So today I'm not going to enter so much into GrooveCut, but I wanted us to go to the infographic because of the other apps that are not yet rolled out. So, and talking about the GrooveCut, there was an all new GrooveCut coming up. So it was supposed to be coming on the September 14th. The all new GrooveCut e-commerce platform, it got delayed. But as I'm recording this today on the 30th of September 2020, there's going to be an update, and it should be released by September 30th, 2020. So maybe it's already released by today. I don't have more information about that. As I've told you, I'm not yet using my GrooveCut application, right? And so about the integrations, I'm going to be making another video about integrations. We have so many integrations that are happening. You see, like the Kajabi, it's a membership site. So there's an integration. If you already use Kajabi for a long time and you want to come to Groove Funnels, you can already integrate it. And there are so many other things you can integrate, right? Yeah, so September 18th. So I'm going to come to October since today it's the last day of September. So let's see what's coming up. Share funnels with an affiliate link and funnel organization. This is going to be cool for those who don't know how to create funnels. They'll be able to be they're going to be helped by sharing funnels from other people who know how to make them. Yeah, you can share funnels via link or by email. The recipient will be able to accept if they have a GrooveFunnels account or be prompted to create a free account. New signups are automatically tagged with the affiliate link. You see, like for me, I'm not so much I don't have a lot of experience creating funnels. So taking other people's funnels, it is going to be cool. It's like the templates. I told you right now I'm leveraging other people's creativity by using the templates that are already there. I'm not yet creating templates from scratch, right? Yeah, as I said, I'm a full-time mom, so for now I don't have that time to go starting creating things from scratch. I love leveraging other people's creativity. So more Groove Cell functionalities. Wow, they're going to, we talked about Groove Cell, so there's more of it coming up. New dashboard and analytics, hybrid affiliate program. Wow, I'm telling you, so much coming up. Affiliate wallet, video backgrounds. You'll be able to add a video that autoplays in the background of a page section. Oh wow, that's a great thing. I love videos, so I can't wait for this to integrate it on the page that I showed you for www.groovesmyle.com. There's going to be an integration of pipe drive. I don't know what's pipe drive, so let's pass it. Groove Pay, it is going to be an integration, improved publishing for group pages, page builder, and SSLs. Wow. We will no longer need a free Cloudflare account. We'll handle all the details for account hosting and publish on the back. Wow, this is marvelous. So it's coming on October 30th. That's so cool. This one is so cool. Also GDPR compliance, list imports of people who already have lists. They're going to be able to import them. I don't have a list, so GrooveFunnels, it will be my first platform where I'm building a list. And I hope I don't throw it away like I did. If you watched my other videos, you realize that I had around 500 list contacts, and I threw them away when my social engine account got hacked. And I had a back what is it called when you save stuff? Backing up. I had backed it up, but I didn't know that my list was money, so I ended up letting everything go. So on Q4, they are saying there's going to be all these agency manage multiple Groove accounts under a single login. That's so cool. SDK, Groove Pages Marketplace, testing, Groove Blog. Who loves blogging? I can't wait for this. Groove Desk, Help Desk, Groove Survey, Groove Calendar, webinars. I can't wait for webinars. Webinar Live. There's a Groove Stream. Those are streaming. It's a webinar streaming. There was Groove Evergreen webinar system. Wow. Pre-recorded webinars or videos as live webinar. Wow, this is so cool. Additional users and roles, miscellaneous services, so Funalytics, Chatmatic. This one already came in. Live webinar, easy webinar, Kunaki, Lulu, Silos. Some of them I don't even know them. Memberships, so all these, you see, wishlist member, Thinkific, Teachable, Landdash, all these are going to be coming up. Mail services, they're going to be integrating with all these, and video hosting, Vidyard, and WooPlayer. So that's what's coming up. So actually, as they are releasing, the launch is happening between the 6th and the 18th of October. So most of these things, the webinars, I've seen that they are going to be ready. They are going to be launching it by 18th of October. But I'm going to be talking more about that when I'm going to make a sneak peek of the Groove affiliate. It's just going to be the next video after this one, right? Yeah, so see you on the next video. I hope you've gotten a great sneak peek on this infographic, right? Yeah, so we already have the Groove video. We have all these. This is going to be cool. Yeah, so that's it. So see you on the next video. So did you like the infographic? Did you like all that information? Crazy information, right? Anyway, go now to groovefriend.com or entrepreneureval.com. It's the same page, and grab your free account and let's get started. Let's meet on the inside, right? I won't add more on this because you've seen it all. So let's meet on the inside. Take action now and share these videos with everyone that you know, because we want to take the message to the masses, and then they make their decision, because they have the power of choice to make their decisions whether they want this free deal or the lifetime deal, or they don't want any of them, right? That's their choices, but our work is to share the message, right? So go to groovefriend.com and get your free account there, right? Ciao.